Hey video editing enthusiasts! Tired of spending hours waiting for your budget laptop to render that epic 4K video? Well, fret no more, because today we're unveiling the top 5 best laptops for video editing in 2023, all without breaking the bank. So, grab your popcorn and prepare to be amazed as we reveal these incredible machines that'll transform your editing experience from frustrating to fantastic. Number 1. MacBook Pro 16-inch M2 Max. Empowered by Apple's formidable M2 Max chipset, offering an expansive 16 to 96 GB of RAM and a staggering 8 TB of storage, the MacBook Pro M2 Max 16-inch stands as the undisputed titan in the realm of mobile video editing laptops. A video editing deity's tool of choice, this powerhouse boasts an unprecedented 18 hours and 56 minutes of battery life, setting it apart from the competition. Highlighted by our reviewer as a groundbreaking device, the proprietary M2 Max chip creates a substantial gap between its predecessors and competitors. Complemented by a spacious, responsive keyboard and a captivating 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, 30-24x19 to 64 pixels, 254 pi, the MacBook Pro M2 Max transcends its rivals. A forthcoming in the field report will explore its limits. Number 2. Razer Blade 16. The Razer Blade 16 unleashes pure power, housing a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13-950HX CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, 32 GB of RAM, and a generous 1 TB SSD. Its 16-inch UCooks IPS display, 3840 by 2400, is a visual marvel, achieving 93% DCI-P3 color gamut and an impressive 4 to 66 nits of brightness. The spacious deck and delightful keyboard elevate the editing experience, but the 5 hours and 29 minutes of battery life tether users to a wall socket for extended use. Additionally, performance takes a hit when operating on battery alone. Despite the battery limitations, the Razer Blade 16's stunning design, potent specifications, and remarkable editing capabilities make it the standout PC video editing laptop early in the year. It asserts itself as an undeniable force in the realm of high-performance computing. Number 3. Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. Introducing another MacBook Pro M2 14-inch model, offering the choice of an M2 Max chipset that elevates performance to new heights. With a starting RAM of 16 GB, the M2 Max option allows an impressive upgrade to a staggering 96 GB of RAM, coupled with storage options ranging from 512 GB to a capacious 8 TB. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, its sleek and portable design seamlessly fits into your camera backpack. Remarkably, the MacBook Pro M2 14-inch boasts an average battery life of over 14 hours, ensuring optimal performance both plugged and unplugged. Ideal for on-the-go content creators, this laptop proves its worth for those who find themselves frequently on the move. The M2 Pro chipset, featuring a 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, enhances overall performance. Number 4. MSI Creators E6P. MSI's Creators E6P emerges as a content-creating juggernaut, seamlessly combining power and affordability for PC editing enthusiasts. Boasting a 12th Gen Intel Core i9-12-900H CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU with 16 GB of RAM, and a stunning 16:10 golden ratio display with QHD+ 25-60x1600 resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate touchscreen, this laptop is a delivery away from perfection. The standout feature is the massive and vivid touch display, challenging creators to bring their visions to life, an aspect notably absent in MacBooks. The Z16P serves as a portable content creator workstation, effortlessly handling power-intensive tasks in Adobe Creative Suite and excelling in editing and color grading with DaVinci Resolve. It even invites some gaming indulgence. Number 5. HP's ZBook Studio G8. The HP's ZBook Studio G8, successor to the award-winning G7 series, retains the signature styling while amping up power for content creators both in the studio and the field. Priced at $4,727, This system is a stunning blend of aesthetics, power, mil-spectiveness, and stands out as one of the premier content creator laptops available. The OLED 4K touchscreen is a bright, vivid, and stunning addition to its allure. Underneath the hood, an 11th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB of SSD storage, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU form a potent ensemble, capable of effortlessly handling the power-hungry demands of Adobe Creative Suite and more. Despite the hefty price tag, the HP's ZBook Studio G8 has proven itself as one of the best video editing laptops tested, making it a top-tier choice for creative professionals. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.